Hi everyone, so today we are making Christmas tree from pine cones. So you just need piece of wood. You pick the highest pine cones that you have, glue them up. I love making with natural materials. The first one will be completely natural. So I already glue pine cone on this piece of wood, and for the first one I'm using this from orange peels. So you just peel the orange and you cut this from peels and you dry them, and it also smells very good, citrus scent. And I'm gonna glue this now also on the pine cone. So I glue it with hot glue, and for the last one I'm thinking somewhere here. If you want, you can add also some of the branches from spruce tops, or you just leave it like this. So the first one. The second one, I just use this red star and gold balls. The third one, you can always give or take something. And the last one, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. And you can write in the comment which one is your favorite. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, ciao!